Okay, guys, I bought this new Airpod today, and we are going to do the unboxing. Let's see what do we have in these new Airpod Pro. It's second generation. We are still waiting for third. Okay, let's do that. So peel it from here. From here as well. We have this card, which is a manual, actually shows press and hold to connect the device. It is just showing the manual how to connect to the things. Okay, it is wireless, and the cable. Do we have cable? I think we need to check it first. Nowadays it is hard to see for the adapter for sure. They should give the cable at least, yeah. Okay, so here is the boss. This is the brand new Airpod Pro. Okay, it looks like it is a bit charged, so yeah, left and right, beautiful. Let's see, what do we have? Here you go. Cable. What else? There's something more. Okay, open. Oh wow, that's good. Right, you have three choices of earbuds. One is XS, other one is small, and the last one is large. So that's pretty good. I don't think we need anything at the moment, but yeah, let's see. Okay, that's it. Thank you.